understanding the biology of the bees. And then your management plan is based upon that understanding rather than some recipe that somebody tells you what to do. Okay, how are we doing for time? We do okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have one more full presentation. And we don't on selective breeding for honeybees. We can, if you guys are gluttons for punishment, I mean, I'll give that to you. Or I can skip to the end where I talk about resistant mechanisms that the bees use. Most of you are not going to be, I'm guessing, queen producers. It's one thing to just be queen producers, it's another to be selecting for mite resistance. That's a much higher bar. Most of you in Slovenia will not be in a position to initiate a breeding program for mite resistance because you have too many drones from other hives around there. So if you're interested in it, I will show you how we're doing that program. Otherwise, I can skip to the end and talk about mite resistance. So I need to hear from you. What do you want? You want me to torture you through another presentation, or do you want to skip right to the mite resistance?
Okay, then we can continue.
You want? Okay. Gluttons for punishment. Stretch your legs. Stand up for a minute. Tell them to stand up.
Yeah, look what I fry. How many minutes? 2 minutes.
Yeah, stand up for 2 minutes. Stretch your legs. It's not safe to be inactive. Get the blood flowing.